Just months to go for the Maharashtra state to witness elections later this year, the seat-sharing talk seems to have officially begun in the ruling coalition. And with that, negotiations and the tussle for seats that have also started. Now, when asked about the figure at which the BJP is looking at to contest seats, here is what the BJP leader Narayan Rane had to say.
मला तर वाटतं बीजेपीने 288 लढवावं. माझं उत्तर मी दिलं की नाही.
Meanwhile, the tug of war that has become even more significant as the coalition is still smarting from the recent Lok Sabha poll defeat with a ruling alliance that Mahayuti that had won only 17 out of the 48 seats against the MVA that got 30. Now, even that disagreements over seat sharing that had hit the alliance, and ever since the Lok Sabha results, there has been speculations that Ajit Pawar's faction of the NCP are in touch with rival Sharad Pawar's faction of the NCP. Even a few days ago, Ajit Pawar had hinting of fighting the upcoming elections on their own strength, and now this shuffle of fielding candidates may also gain as far as the alliance problems are also concerned, with Shinde Sena already claiming that this could lead to a violation of alliance dharma.
नारायण राणे साहेब हे ज्येष्ठ नेते आहेत. त्यांनी त्यांचं मत मांडलेलं आहे. हे भारतीय जनता पार्टी पक्षाचं मत नाही आहे. हे मत माननीय नड्डा साहेबांचं नाही आहे, माननीय अमित शाह साहेबांचं नाही आहे, माननीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहेबांचं नाही आहे. 288 जागा लढल्या पाहिजे. महायुती आहे. महायुतीमध्ये जर भाजप जर 288 जागा लढणार तर महायुती कशाला असणार आहे.
With all due respect to Mr. Narayan Rane, I would like to say that we are in a Mahayuti. We contested Lok Sabha elections together, and as a Mahayuti, as a Yuti Dharm, before making any such statements, I think that there are people who will speak on this issue. This statement needs to come from Honorable Devendra Fadnavis. Neither he has said anything, nor JP Nadda ji has said anything, nor any of the state BJP leader has said this. So I think that this statement made by Narayan Rane should be considered as his own statement.
महत्व यह है कि महाराष्ट्र में पार्टियों के वरिष्ठ नेता, शीर्षस्थ नेता जो डिसीजन लेने की अथॉरिटी रखते हैं, उन नेताओं को क्या लगता है ये ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. हमें भी लगता है, मुझे एज अ कार्यकर्ता अगर आप पूछेंगे तो हमें भी लगता है कि हम भी 228 सीटों पे चुनाव लड़े, लेकिन जब हम महायुति में हैं और तीनों मिलके हम एक साथ चुनाव का सामना करने के लिए, अभी अमित जी शाह हो या देवेंद्र जी फडणवीस हो, सभी नेताओं ने, अजीत दादा, एकनाथ जी शिंदे, सभी लोगों ने ये पब्लिकली कहा है कि हम महायुति करके इस चुनाव का सामना करेंगे और एकनाथ जी शिंदे जी के नेतृत्व में इस चुनाव में हम लड़ने जा रहे हैं. अभी ये बयान आया है, उनका वो निजी मत हो सकता है.
Well, Arunil is with us. Arunil, how do we understand what's happening within the Mahayuti? Are all of the three parties together on the same page?
Well, Amita, the timing of Narayan Rane's statement is very noteworthy because this is the time when crucial seat-sharing talks are happening between the BJP, CM Shinde, Shiv Sena, as well as Ajit Pawar's NCP. And there is a kind of a pressure that has been mounted by the BJP as well, because remember, BJP had won 105 out of the 288 seats. Many of the independent MLAs are also there in the Mahayuti only because of the strength of the BJP, only because of Devendra Fadnavis. Now, the numbers of CM Shinde, Shiv Sena or Ajit Pawar's NCP are less than half of what the BJP has. And that is why Narayan Rane probably is making this statement. Now, who exactly has asked Narayan Rane to make such kind of a statement? Is it a strategy by the BJP Maharashtra's think tank to mount pressure on CM Shinde, Shiv Sena and NCP's Ajit Pawar's NCP? That is also a question that clearly comes to the fore, or whether Narayan Rane is making such kind of a statement on his own. Because before the Lok Sabha polls as well, it was only Narayan Rane who used to make aggressive attacks at the alliance partners only, that is CM Shinde, Shiv Sena or Ajit Pawar's NCP. one interesting statement was from Manisha Kande, CM Shinde's Shiv Sena leader, basically saying that this is like not following the alliance dharma. This is like completely dismantling or completely going against the alliance dharma. And Naresh Maske, the newly elected MP from Thane also, CM Shinde's Shiv Sena leader, saying that then what is the use of being in a Mahayuti when the BJP wants to contest on all the 288 seats? With respect to the seat sharing talks are concerned, CM Shinde's party have already made it clear or requested the BJP Delhi High Command, saying that we at least want to contest on 100 of the 288 seats. Ajit Pawar's NCP is also keen on contesting on 70 to 80 seats. That leaves very less number of seats for the BJP, and probably because of that, a kind of pressure tactics is being played by the BJP leaders.
All right, Arunil, thank you very much for that update. As far as the statements that are concerned and of top leaders coming in from the political parties, that has sparked off much speculations before the upcoming state assembly elections takes place in the state of Maharashtra.